to? Some type of lubrication, okay? When we're talking about Lycoming will say use engine oil SAE 30 weight. So whatever goes in your car, usually 30 weight, 20 weight, would be something that you would apply to it, okay? It's going to reduce the friction, so it's actually going to be slightly higher torque, okay? So unless specified, we have a dry torque. Okay, understand that for now? All right. Shear versus tension. Okay, I'm glad you asked about this one. All right. Can you see AC 4313? All right, in AC 4313, I am not going to go to the manual today. I think I'll lose every one of you. So, look, AC 4313 has torques. This is a permanent record. It's in your maintenance handbook from Dale Crane. That is not acceptable. It is totally awesome to use as a reference. It's usually the same charts. So, AC 4013 is acceptable data. If you can't find a torque for a bolt, you go to AC 4313, and guess what I found? AN, a quarter inch is what size bolt? AN 4/16 or AN 4, okay? And then the 28 would be the threads, 28 inches per, 28 threads per inch, 24 threads per inch, 24 threads per inch. Then I come down here, 832, okay? So we're talking about coarse thread, okay? So it has 24 threads per inch. What is a 10-24? What in the world? Have you guys seen an 832 or a 1032 yet? This goes back. This is where the FAA breaks the rules, and they go back to the screw category. So a 1032 or a 1024 is an AN3. I don't know why. So if you get an AN3 bolt, the little cute babies, the little tiny bolts like this, you'll have to go to the 1032 category. Okay? It's the same as a structural screw. Okay? 1032. I've never seen an AN2 bolt. Only an 832 screw. So this category, I've never seen bolts in aviation. I can't think of a single application that has an AN2. Even our little quick chart that I was using earlier, did I give that to somebody? Is it here? Oh, you have it. Okay, this is a quick guide, so you can take the bolt instead of having to measure them with a steel rule. You take it and you stick it into the hole that fits the bolt, and then you read it down below it. It says, "Oh, it's an AN16," and the sticker's just slightly off, so the bolts are always a little bit longer than the number. Okay, so AN3-16. Okay, but there's no AN3. So we'll say, all right, I need to look at how this bolt's used. This bolt is holding the landing gear on. It's a fine thread. Okay, I look at it, it's a fine thread. It's an AN3. So I come over and say, well, it's a tension load or it is a shear load?
Shear.
Landing gear is probably going to be a tension load on a brake. It's going to be a tension load. So we come over here to tension load. AN3, and I'm going to torque it to what? 20 to 25. Okay, 20 to 25 inch-pounds. Inch-pounds. Okay? All right, and then, so AN4, AN5, AN6, AN7. Okay, all those will be the torques based on if it's coarse or fine thread, and then the application. If it's tension or shear. Okay. If I don't know what type of nut is on it, just use the lower one for this lap, okay? Everybody clear? All right, it'll ask you, today we're gonna be making, drilling holes. So I'm gonna let this side of the class go first today.